Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to use green screen on Capcut. To get started with Capcut, simply open the app and navigate to either an existing project or create a new one. To create a new project in Capcut, make sure you have both your background footage and green screen footage saved in your files. This is necessary as the green screen removal process will result in a transparent background. So you need something as the background for your green screen. So this is the video that I want to overlay the green screen on top of once you get your video ready. What you want to do is tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay and then select the video that you want to remove the green screen from. So once you import the file, you can adjust its size to fit the scene. Just with your two fingers, you can zoom in on the video and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you see an option called Cutout. In this case, we want to remove the green screen, so we'll select green from the color wheel. You can adjust the intensity of the green screen removal by using the slider. Make sure to remove as much as green as is possible while keeping the subject intact. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark at the top right to apply the changes. Now, you can add your background footage by tapping on the Add Media button at the bottom of the green screen and selecting your background footage. Once it's added, drag and drop it below the green screen footage in the timeline. Finally, you can review your project by tapping on the play button at the top right and see if the green screen has been removed correctly and the subject is properly composited with the background footage. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.